What's up, guys? You will not surprise anyone with a fast charger or a wireless power bank or even a charging cable, unless they have a unique design. The MFish company specializes in high-quality chargers, cables, power banks, and even charging stations, which feature stunning, high-tech or cyberpunk designs. I have an armored 4-in-1 240 watts charging cable, 10,000 mAh wireless power bank, and a 65 watts travel charger from this company. We will test them in this video, but first let's unbox them and look at their design, because I think that's what makes them truly unique. As you can see, even the boxes of these products have a similar cyberpunk design. The boxes feature images and key specs of each product, such as a fast charger with a 65 watts max power, as well as input and output power of each port on the back, 240 watts max charging cable, and a power bank with a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh and compatible with Qi 2. Let's unbox them in order and start with the power bank. Here we see the power bank right away, but we will take a closer look at it later. There is also a user manual in English and Chinese, as well as a short but very thick and high-quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable included. You know, this cable is thick but very flexible, so it will be very difficult to damage it. By the way, I have the power bank in green color, so it is green itself, as well as a charging cable, but you can also choose it in red color. As for the fast charger, it comes with similar user manual, but it doesn't have a separate charging cable, because it is already built in. This is a retractable USB-C cable with a length of 31.5 inches or 80 centimeters. Finally, the 4-in-1 charging cable comes in a high-quality, durable case. There is no user manual here, but I think everyone knows how to use a charging cable, right? I just thought that it would be a great gift, because it is so exciting to unbox them. Talking about design, let's also start with the power bank. As I said before, I have the green version of the power bank, so it has a green circuit board on the front panel. But as you understand, this is just a picture. I don't think it really looks like that inside. You know, the frame around it looks like matte plastic, but it feels like metal. On the back, there is a real metal ring that allows you to use the power bank as a stand for your smartphone. The USB Type-C charging port is located at the bottom, along with the power button and 4 battery level indicators. As for the dimensions, they are 115 by 70 by 14 mm. The weight of the power bank is 230 grams. It is actually pretty lightweight and quite slim, 10,000 mAh power bank. As for the fast charger, it has a cube shape. Its bottom part is made of glossy black plastic, while the top part has a button. On this button we can see the name of the device, namely E-RHINO power port. Its maximum power of 65 watts, the length of the charging cable of 800 mm, and even a warning "do not cover it." The fast charger has foldable pins on the bottom. Finally, there is a retractable cable, a 65 watts USB-C port, a 60 watts USB-A port, and even a real-time output display on top. By the way, the retractable cable has a magnetic absorber, so it doesn't dangle when not in use. When it comes to the 4-in-1 charging cable, I think it is made of the same material as the charging cable of the power bank. To be precise, this is a liquid silicon cable with 99.99% tin-plated copper core. The connectors shells are made of zinc alloy with UV coating, so they are scratch-resistant and durable. This is a 4-in-1 cable, and we have USB-A and Lightning connectors. If you pull on them, you also get 2 USB-C connectors. By the way, unlike the charging cable of the power bank, this one is really long, 80.7 inches or 20-50 mm. I think it is good for home and office use, but not for traveling, because it is quite bulky. Overall, the MFish charging cable, fast charger and power bank are all very well made. I especially like this charger because it has a nice design and compact size, which is perfect for traveling. Okay, now let's try them all in practice. First, I want to test the MFish E-Monster power bank. I have already told you that it has a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh, but its rated capacity is 6,000 mAh. It also has a maximum input and output power of 18 watts via USB-C port and wireless charging. I can check the power of the USB port using this device. So first I connected my smartphone to the power bank and it is charging at 15 watts. This is probably the maximum charging speed supported by my Android device. If we try to charge the power bank itself, we will also see a charging speed of 15 watts. I cannot verify the wireless charging power, but in theory, my iPhone 12 and power bank support 15 watts wireless charging. Okay, now let's test the MFish E-RHINO fast charger. I would like to remind you that its maximum power is 65 watts. I can use it to charge my laptop because it only needs 35 watts. Let's check it out. Yes, the laptop is really charging and we see about 30–35 watts on the charger display. I also want to connect my Android phone to the fast charger using its USB-C port. The smartphone is charging just like the laptop. Now we can see about 50 watts on the charger display. What happens if I connect another smartphone to the fast charger? No surprise here, it is also charging. So you can use MFish fast charger to charge 3 devices at the same time. Okay, now, using the 4-in-1 cable, I want to test the maximum output power of the fast charger. Let me remind you that it is claimed to be 65 watts. For this purpose, we will use a portable charging station that has a 100 watts USB-C input port. So we see 60 watts input power on the charging station screen and 65 watts on the charger screen itself. Overall, I can confirm that the MFish fast charger has a power output of 65 watts. By the way, you can get maximum power from the charger not only through the 4-in-1 cable, but also through the built-in USB-C cable. Talking about this 4-in-1 cable, it is stated that it has a power output of 240 watts, but first of all, I don't know how to verify this, because I don't have such a powerful device. Secondly, it has a power output of 240 watts when using USB-C to USB-C connection. If you use a USB-A to USB-C connection, it will have a maximum power output of 18 watts. A USB-C to Lightning connection has a maximum power output of 27 watts, while USB-A to Lightning only has 12 watts. By the way, you can use this cable not only for charging, but also for data transfer at a maximum speed of 480 megabits per second. So I believe we have tested the MFish power bank, fast charger and 4-in-1 charging cable in detail. First, I can say that all specifications have been confirmed, namely, the output power of the fast charger is 65 watts, and the input and output power of the power bank is 18 watts. To be honest, I liked the fast charger the most out of these 3 devices. I like its compact size, design, retractable cable, USB-C and USB-A ports, and even the display. The power bank is convenient for those who often charge their smartphones on the go, because it has a magnetic wireless charger. As for the 4-in-1 cable, it is not for traveling because it is quite bulky, but it is really useful for home or office use because one cable replaces 4 since it has 2 USB-C ports as well as USB-A and Lightning. But as I have mentioned several times in this video, it is the design that makes these devices unique and attractive. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!